So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I'm back with another new vlog. Today is Tuesday, and it's 9:45 in the morning. Where am I going? I'm going to the hospital. Not for nothing that bad, but I'm just going for a normal checkup. So weather is fantastic outside. I mean, it's too good. It rained the whole night. সারাটা রাত বৃষ্টি পড়েছে। আর আমি দেখিয়ে দিই বাইরেটার কি মানে অবস্থা। এইরকম কিছু হচ্ছে অবস্থা। বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, মানে পুরোটা রাতই বৃষ্টি পড়েছে। এরকম কিছু হচ্ছে অবস্থা। ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে কি, এই সময় এরকম বৃষ্টি পড়াটা ইজ ফার্স্ট অফ অল আনএক্সপেক্টেড, কি হঠাৎ করে এরকম করে বৃষ্টি পড়ছে। বাট अदरवाइज इट्स गुड। बिन मौसम बरसात चलेगा। सो येस, नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, ইটস রেনিং অ্যান্ড আই এম নট গেটিং উবার। যাবোটা কি করে বাবা, এটাই হচ্ছে প্রবলেম। যাবোটা কি করে, कैसे जाएंगे पैदल? মাই হাজব্যান্ড কল্ড আর বললো কি বাইরে হাঁটু পর্যন্ত জল জমে গেছে। এবার দেখি কী করা যায়। সো বাইরে যাই, তারপরে দেখা করছি। বাই। কি অবস্থা, জল জমে শেষ। এখানে জল জমে না ইউজুয়ালি। এই অবস্থাটা আসলে কালকে রাত্রে, মানে পুরো দিন এখন পর্যন্ত পুরো দিনই বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, যার জন্য এই অবস্থা। মানে ইউজুয়ালি এই দিকটায় অতটা জল জমে না, মানে জলই জমে না আনটিল খুব বাড়াবাড়ি না হয়ে যায়। আর কালকে রাত্রে আসলে পুরোটা রাত বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, তার জন্য এই হচ্ছে রেজাল্ট। এবার এই এলাকাটায় দেখো, এটা ইন্টালির রাস্তা পড়ে, রাস্তাটা ইন্টালির দিকে যায়। It's the way to go to Intali and it looks something like this. Not that bad, but it is bad when you go further down. हे कृष्ण जगन्नाथम प्रेमानंदी, ये क्या हुआ? गला तक पानी आ गया। সত্যি ওই ডায়লগটা মনে পড়ে গেল। Enjoy the view. Today my vlog will look something like this. जहाँ देखो पानी ही पानी। তো জলের এই অবস্থা দেখে আমাকে বাড়ি ফিরে যেতে হলো। আজকের কাজটা তো হলো না, তাই আজকের বাড়িতে এসে সবজি চাপড়া সব কেটে নিলাম। What's cooking, Ma? What's cooking?
Kitchen.
And jalfrezi. No, vindaloo. Correct?
Huh?
Jalfrezi. Vindaloo.
Jalfrezi.
Jalfrezi, correct.
Vindaloo, there's no
It's too
potatoes.
confusing. Vindaloo, जिसमें आलू है, but then there's no aloo in the curry. And jalfrezi is the one with potatoes.
बर्नर फोन यूज करने लगा।
Would it so?
करिए उसको।
So the lunch is ready. Let's see what my mother-in-law cooked.
Yeah?
Sure to cook. What's this, Ma?
Jalfrezi. Meat. With coriander. The water dry. And then put the potatoes in. Then some coriander and shish.
And some coriander and
Shish.
Shish.
Not shit, shish.
shesh only, I said. It still needs to get tasod and dry, isn't it? And here is khichdi. Oof. The season, perfect for the season. At the moment, the sun has come up, not raining, but perfect for the season. Darun. Meat is tasod. Okay, so putting the potato in this house. When potatoes are fried, you have to be very careful because it's there. We have potato chore. One is having a bath and the other one there. Potatoes is loved in this house. Love for potatoes is infinity. Looks like this. Darun bapa darun. With this and
When you serve it in the plate, then
sure. With this and khichdi, mind blowing. Ek thala bhat shesh. আর কিছু চাই না। বেগুন ভাজা, of course. বেগুন ভাজাটা এবারে একটু আলাদা রকমের বানানো হয়েছে। বেগুন ভাজাতে আমরা দিয়েছি ডিম আর উপরে কিছু কোটিং দিয়ে বানানো হয়েছে। So it's a little different. So let's see. Waiting to eat. Very hungry. My husband's gone for a bath because he has work, and I'm very hungry right now. This is our lunch. Okay. This is the chop, like brinjal.
like ginger.
Brinjal chop. This is brinjal chop with egg and all. Something like this.
Do it again, she's gonna fall apart.
It's never too late to make things right, Armand. Affected immediately. His family's under the
Recap,
leash.
you didn't?
You said you had a proposition. We do. 50%. You would. I've been asked if what I did was worth 25 years.
So hi guys, it's 6:30 in the evening and we are drinking tea. My mother-in-law is going to make something, I don't know what. What are you going to make? Oh, soup. Yeah, actually my mother-in-law is on a soup diet, must say, and it is very, very important that if you're having sugar and diabetes, it is very important to start eating healthy because now you can't say anything. Very of late I met a doctor, a neurosurgeon, who said that it is very important for people who have diabetes and high cholesterol and BP. One must have a lot of vegetables. Could be soup, could be anything. There are certain white food that you need to start avoiding in the sense not stopping. Maybe you can take a smaller portion, but preferably you can start having quite a lot of vegetables. So at the moment the diet that my mother-in-law is very good. It's healthy and I think it makes her feel good also. I'll make you ask her, I'll make you talk to her as well on this. I will put up a video on this as to it's been at least 3-4 days now that she's having this, and how is she feeling after that. I will make a video on this very soon because it is really important, and if from my video if somebody can change their lifestyle, it is a great deal for me. So yes, I think you guys should try this, her vegetable soup. I will show you how she makes a vegetable soup. That will be a complete different video as how she makes it and what all she adds to the her vegetable soup. It is really good. Try it. Yeah, now we're just drinking tea. Then okay, if you're wondering who is this in the photo, it's my mother-in-law when she was in Dubai. So this is her cup actually. See, mother-in-law was bomb. Anyway, when she was young, still is tip top. Anyway, once she's done, I'll show you. So cooking and all is all done. The video will come up in the next video. You will see about the soup and all that I made. So yes, now someone's feeling love. He doesn't like to show his face on the camera. That's one thing I've seen. Mama, he doesn't like to show his face on the camera. He doesn't like, huh? He does not like anyone taking his photographs. Yes, he doesn't like it. So I finished making rice and now I'm back to my room. I'll end the vlog for today because husband's working. Can't disturb. Anyways, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another new vlog very soon. Till then, good night, take care, bye.